Christmas is gone. We are approaching 1st of January. That is the new year festive season, right? And your skin has not really started understanding what it means to use skincare products. You have been using tons and tons of skincare products prior the Christmas season, and you're not seeing effect on your skin. Now, I have 5 reasons why your skin is not glowing this festive season. Trust me, I'm sure that you are guilty of one of these, if not all of the 5. Number 1 is going to be you started your skincare journey pretty late. Now, I'm going to explain this. Christmas was on 25th, right? And you started your skincare journey on the 20th of December, or even on the first week of December. Maybe you've been having this hyperpigmentation, and recently a lot of videos have been popping up on YouTube about how to get yourself glowy, how to get a glowy skin before Christmas, and boom, you jumped on these skincare products and started using them, and 25th is here and you're not even seeing any results. Please calm down, okay? Skincare takes time to work. Healthy skincare products take time to work, except you want to bleach. Now, I filmed a video on how to get a glowy skin before Christmas, and if you noticed what I said, if you really understood what I said at the beginning of that video, I said you should have started your skincare routine a long time before now. Skincare is not a miracle working product. Skincare does not perform magic. Skincare does not perform miracles. It is a process. It is going to take time. I sitting before you, my skin is not all that perfect right now. This is the Christmas season, right? My skin is not even all that perfect, but there is a progress. I still have my hyperpigmentation, but that does not mean that I'm not recording small progress. Okay, you have to give your skin some time, and mind you that I am more than a year in skincare. In this skincare thing, I started my skincare journey a long time ago. It is more than a year now, almost 2 years now, and my hyperpigmentation is not even all cleared up. So can you just calm down? You probably just started your skincare journey because you saw videos recently saying get a glowy skin before Christmas and you jumped on the trend. Calm down. If your skin doesn't glow this Christmas, it can glow on February 14th. It can glow during Easter. It can glow next Christmas. Just make sure you are consistent and make sure that you are using the right, very important, make sure that you are using the right products. Number 2, poor dieting. Now, this is Christmas. We have been consuming a lot and a lot and a lot. You have been eating. You have been eating rice. You have been drinking soda. You have been eating a lot and a lot. See, babes, it is going to tell on your skin. Oh. Yes, it will tell on your skin. You see, sugar. Sugar is one of those food that can actually make your skin issues worse. Poor dieting can also be a reason your skin is not yet glowing. You can have the right skincare products, you might be doing the right thing, but your eating habit is not right. Cut down on sugar. There is this nutritionist, I always read her articles, I always listen to her. She always emphasizes on the importance of eating right. Cut your carbohydrates. See, carbohydrates contain sugar. See, because we say sugar does not mean it has to be your cubes of sugar or your soda, or no. Your carbohydrates, your food, your rice, your beans. I know we don't know this. Beans has more carbohydrate content than protein. So beans is classified as an energy giving food. It's a carbohydrate, not protein. I know you are going to say, but I'm not here to start telling you that. This is a skincare channel, please. Now, your rice, your beans, your yam, your bread. If you can even stop eating bread, fine. Your soda, see, your plantains, cut down on the carbohydrates. Okay, Now, there are some persons that are going to be like, okay, instead of my cubes of sugar, can I use honey instead? See, the truth is that honey still contains sugar, and sugar is sugar, no matter where you want to get it from. Sugar is what? Sugar. Whether it is maltose, whether it is fructose, whether it is sucrose, whether it is whatever kinds of sugar, your simple, your complex, no matter the kind of sugar you want to talk about, they are all what? Sugar. So just cut down on the way you take sugar. On your fruits, you can take more of seasonal fruits. Okay, things like mangoes, things like your avocado pears, right? um your seasonal fruits that are in season. Okay, fruits that always come out in a particular time in the year. These are what I call seasonal fruits. So dwell more on those kind of fruits. All right, but you see all these year in year out kind of fruits, just cut down on them, like your watermelon, like your bananas. They contain a whole lot of sugar. I don't want to tell you to stop eating them because I know it's impossible for you to stop eating them, right? So cut down on those kind of sugars. Then on your carbohydrates, cut down drastically on your carbohydrates. I know it is going to be almost impossible because we're in the festive season, but if you can do yourself this good, your skin is going to thank you, right? So the third reason your skin is not glowing this festive season is using too many products. Now, in that video I made about how to get a glowing skin in Christmas, I listed brightening skincare products you can use to get yourself a glowing skin in Christmas. If you listen attentively, I was always mentioning something. Make sure you balance up with hydration. Some persons are going to get themselves vitamin C products right from their cleanser to their moisturizer. You are wrong. Alpha arbutin right from their cleanser to their moisturizer. You are wrong. Calm down. Hydration can never be overemphasized in skincare. Your body needs hydration no matter the amount of food you want to take, no matter the kind of vegetables, fruit you want to take, you still need to drink water. That is the truth. Okay, so you must hydrate. Now, take your skin as a plant. Okay, a plant that is cultivated, right? And we are always pumping in manure into the skin, into the plant, or into the soil for the plant, for the roots of the plant to be able to absorb that manure. Without water, how is the manure going to decay for the plant to absorb the manure? So take your skin that way. In as much as you are always pumping that plant with manure, you are also going to water the plant. True or false? Good. So your skin needs hydration. Take that manure as your treatment. The treatment you incorporate in your skincare routine, like your kojic acid, your salicylic acid, your alpha arbutin, these are your treatment, right? Without hydration, without your hyaluronic acid, without your snail mucin, without your urea, without glycerin, without aloe vera, without your hydrating skincare product, your skin will not thrive. That is what I mean when I say balance up with hydration. I'm going to film a different video to really talk about what it means to have a brightening skincare routine, because some of us do not even understand this thing at all. Some person don't know what it means to create a balance in a skincare routine. This has even answered my fourth reason, which is no hydration. Using too many products, no hydration. Cut down on your treatment, infuse hydration. This is point number 3 and point number 4. Okay, now coming over to point number 5, it's going to be no sunscreen. You are not wearing sunscreen. Or rather, let me rephrase, not reapplying sunscreen, because I know that most of us wear sunscreens, but the issue is always on that reapplication. Get a sunstick to make things easier. Okay, I know that we can get carried away easily this festive season because of all the many activities lined up. You might not even remember to reapply. Get a sunstick so that whenever you just look at your handbag, you just be like, okay, and you just easily grab it and reapply. You don't need to go and start washing your hands and start trying to press out the sunscreen and get a sun stick. It is going to save you a whole lot of time and stress. It will make things easier for you. Or sun sprays, just get something to make this reapplication thing easier for you. Your skin is going to love this. Okay? See, your skin needs to glow. It must glow. But remember what I said in the beginning, be patient and be consistent. Give it time. Give your skin. One issue we are having in this skincare thing is that we are never patient. We want that fast action thing. That is why most of us fall prey to this bleaching, whitening, lightening skincare products that your skin do not even need. So be patient. Just routine that your esthetician or your dermatologist must have recommended for you, stick to it. So far it's not causing your skin any harm, stick to it. Give it at least 6 weeks. Okay, if you're not seeing any changes, then you can revisit your dermatologist or your esthetician, maybe to upgrade it or to add some things or remove some things, but stick to that thing. So far it's not causing your skin any harm. Can you stick to it, please? Can you? See you in another video, please. All right, make sure you are, of course, subscribed. Bye.